course. And then you look at today on Sunday, and it's just beautiful. Our local dragstrip, Shadyside Dragway, they've been working really hard to get the track prep for today, because they posted pictures on their Facebook page, and part of the pit area was flooded. I mean, it was under the water, but thankfully none of it got up on the track, so that's a good sign. And so, you know, here we are. We're going to try to head to the track and get a baseline with Casper and see what happens. So hang tight. Well, folks, here we are, Shadyside Dragway. Me and my buddy Joe. It's been crazy. We had tornadoes, what was it, Friday? Flooding Friday, snowing yesterday, and look at today. Welcome to North Carolina. Look at that.
Wet tools.
Bringing Casper out to see what can do for a baseline.
All right, so Andy, what's the
plan?
What's the plan? What's the
Well,
7:30 off the?
I would love that, you know, but with the track being wet and having all kinds of issues with the weather, I don't know what to expect or anything. What about you? What do you think?
Just remember, Casper didn't come in on a trailer today.
That's right. And definitely don't need to leave on one either.
That's a good thought too.
Of course, I wasn't so lucky the last time we came.
Well, we remedy those situations.
Yeah. I tell you. All right, let's start getting out all this junk out of here. Camera stuff, blah blah blah. I want to lose my SD card. All this. Oh, I brought your timing light to you. Whatever. Alright, let's see here. Yeah. Well, we're starting out. I need to check the air in the front tires, because so we just got done making the first run in Casper, and it just blew the tires off. But here's the slip. Okay, had a 169 60 foot with a 748 at 91.9, which is pretty good for this truck, considering, you know, the situation. The best this truck's went has been a 41 down in South Georgia, so we're going to try lowering the air pressure down to 16 in the rear, up to about 45 in the front, and make another hit of it. One thing about it when it comes to drag racing and trying to find ET is you need to make one change at a time. You don't need to be changing the whole world when you go to make a pass, because when you do that, you don't know what works and what don't. So Joe's taking our, this is our log book for today right here.
We're going to 16 rear.
Yeah.
And front,
Whatever we can get in it.
we're going to just say
45.
Okay. .36, yes! 93 miles an hour. Well, what do you think, Joe? I thought it was a pretty good day. We're driving it home.
Yep.
Made 3 good passes.
Hey, that's what it's about. You know, we made improvements, got down to a 736 right there. Backed it up with a 38, but the main thing is street tires, and we're getting ready to head back towards Gaston County. So we know what we're working with now. On that last run, it actually spun. It had the same 60 foot as the run before, but when we get the battery moved and the fuel tank, that'll help that weight transfer. So when we going to see the Chevelle? We got to come and do some testing before Union. Look at this dude right here. He is the sneakiest guy that I've ever seen. You know what I'm saying? Warren Johnson ain't got nothing on this character here.
Oh, I guess a spark plug.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir. We'll do it next time.
Yep. Be careful going home, brother. All right, now. Well, let's head back towards Gaston County.